In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an activity in the Adidas running app on iPhone. Let's get started by opening the Adidas running app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load. If your app looks slightly different, that's okay. Designs change with updates, but the process is the same. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet so your changes sync to your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Progress tab. This is your hub for stats, totals, and recent runs or workouts. It's where you can quickly review what you've logged and make changes if something needs to be removed. In the Progress view, look for the section labeled Recent Activities. Find the activity you want to delete and tap it to open its details. Before you proceed, double check that it's the correct one by reviewing the date, distance, duration, and route map if shown. Taking a moment here helps you avoid removing the wrong workout. Inside the activity details, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots. This is the Options menu. It may be labeled as More on some versions, but it's always in the top right area of the activity screen. This menu is where you'll find actions like editing, sharing, or deleting the activity. From the options, tap Delete. The app will prompt you with a confirmation screen. This is important because deleting an activity removes it from your history, your totals, and any related stats or leaderboards. It can't be undone once you confirm. If you selected the wrong activity or changed your mind, simply cancel here and go back. If you're sure, tap Delete again to confirm. The app will process the change and return you to your activity list. The deleted workout should no longer appear. If it still shows momentarily, try pulling down to refresh the progress screen. On a slower connection, give it a moment to sync. If you use the app on multiple devices, open the app on those devices later to allow the deletion to sync there as well. That's all you need. Open the app, go to Progress, choose the activity from Recent Activities, open the top right menu, delete, and confirm. A quick tip before we wrap up: if the workout is part of a challenge or contributes to weekly goals, deleting it will adjust those totals. Always review the details first to be sure you're removing the right entry. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your activity history with confidence.